So I think this example of good behavior of human being in helping the nature to recover, especially for coral reefs, there will be the most important refugee for marine life are here. So we need to prepare this ecosystem together. So the structure down there was supported by Shanghai Ocean University and Guangdong Ocean University with Hasanuddin University to provide the structure. Okay, will create a new ecosystem, will prepare the substrate, prepare the rate of recovery. Somehow that hopefully they will trigger the recovery in other part of this area and to higher extent.
And finally, we would like to thank the delegation of Shanghai Ocean University, Guangdong Ocean University for their contribution and collaboration in this program. Hopefully, we can maintain and expand our collaboration in issues. And maybe in early July, we can go to Shanghai. Yeah. Okay. Last but not least, we would like to thank everyone who participated in this program. And then, ladies and gentlemen, let us together, by say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we officially open this event.
I'm also a member of this program for marine ranching, and our school are focus more on stock enhancement and stocking. And through this collaboration, we want to learn some knowledge about enhancement and stocking in Indonesia, and we try to develop a more suitable framework about enhancement and integrate stocking and agriculture and enhancement method and maybe some fun skills to approaches to improve our stock enhancements and stocking scheme.